Hello children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School Billimora would like to explain you the topic chapter 4 tick 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 of maths subject. In maths textbook page number 35, my topic is tick tick tick. Pankaj and Sanya were discussing whose home is further from school. Both are discussing whose home is further from school. I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach the school. What say Pankaj? I have to walk 5 minutes to reach the school. Sanya say I just walk for 2 minutes to reach the school. Pankaj से मैं वॉक करके जब जाता हूँ स्कूल तो मैं 5 मिनट में पहुँच जाता हूँ. और सानिया कहती है मैं 2 मिनट में वॉक करके स्कूल में पहुँच जाती हूँ. नाउ impossible, your home is farther from school, but I check my watch. पंकज से your home is further from school, अब तेरा घर दूर है स्कूल से. तो सानिया क्या कहती है? I check my watch, मैं वॉच में चेक करूँगी. I start for school at 7 o'clock. See, Sanya started go to school at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, that you look at this clock. The small hand show hour hand and the long hand is show minute. Small hand is show hour hand and long hand show minute. Okay, minute hand. Now, when I reach school, the minute hand point at 2. What says Sanya? Sanya start 7 o'clock and she reach at school at 2. Okay, so hand point at 2. So, should not it be 2 minutes past 7 or 7:02? What says Sanya? 2 minutes past is 7 or 7:02. Now, Pankaj say you are wrong. You reach school at 7:10. पंकज what say? You are wrong. आप wrong हो. आप 7:10 को स्कूल में पहुँचे. सानिया से how? किस तरीके से? Can you see this thin line between the number? You see in your watch that you have thin line in between the number. Yes. So what? Okay. तो वो कहती है तो क्या हुआ? Now then next, the minute hand move across 10 line after 12, so it 10. 10, so it is 10 minutes past 7 or 7:10. What Pankaj say? After 12. Look at here. Here have 12. Then after this small thin line. How many thin lines? 10, 12 to 10 after will start 1. That in between 5 and 1 and 2 that other between 5 means 10 line. 12 to 2 that is between 10 line across means 10 minutes pass. 12 after this 1 that came means 5 line 5 minutes pass and other one came next 2 came so 10 minutes pass means in 12 and 1 that between 5 line and 1 and 2 in between other 5 lines means 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. You learn this table 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So 12 and 2 that in between 10's thin line is pass means 10 minutes past 7 means 10 minutes past 7 or 7:10. Okay, this type that is right 10 minutes past 7 otherwise 7:10. Okay, now next. Pankaj say I start school at 7. Pankaj started go to school at 7 and I reach at 7:05. See the minute have moved across 5 line and I reach at what Pankaj say I reach at 7:05. 7:05 means that minute had moved across 5 line. Minute 12 to that is across 5 line means 7:05 happen. Okay. Now next we have to see 3 friends read time for a clock. Who is right? 3 friends read this time. Who is 3 friends? Chikku, Bittu and Pinky. Okay, this is the first clock that we have to see that small hand will be so 3 o'clock 3 and long hand so 12. means that is the 3 o'clock. Exact it is 3 o'clock. Chiku say it is 12:03. Bittu say it's 12:15. And Pinky say it's 3 o'clock. Who is correct? Pinky is correct because small hand saw 3 and long hand saw 12, means that is 3 o'clock. Now next time here we have to see small hand is between 5 and 6, means it 5 will be past. How many minutes this? 7, that is given is 7, means 5 7 ja 35, means 35 minutes pass by 35 minutes pass 5, means 5:35, 35 minutes pass 5. Small hand is between 5 and 6, means 5 already happen and that move just more. Minute hand going move, so small hand also slowly just move. So 7 is minute hand, so is 7, means 7 5 7 ja 35, means 35 minutes past 7, means 5:35. Okay, Chiku is say it is 7:25. Bittu say is 7 and Pinky say 5:35. So Pinky say this time is correct because small hand is between 5 and 6, means 5 o'clock is happen and 35, and after that 7 minute hand, so 7 means 35 minutes happen, means time is 5:35. Now next third clock, that we have to see small hand shows in 7 and long hand is so 3, means 3 means 3 5 are 15, 3 5 are 15 you take, otherwise 5 3 are 5 tables you have to learn. 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, means 12 after 15 line will be across. 12 after 15 line will be across. The minute hand move 15 line across after 12, means that time is happen 15 minutes past 7, 15 minutes past 7 means 7:15. Okay, so Chiku said it is 3:35, Bittu said it is 7:03 and Pinky said it is 7:15. So Pinky say is correct. Okay, so 3 friends did time that Pinky is right. Pinky said that all time is correct. Thank you children.